Hey there, tea enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered what makes Thai green tea so uniquely delicious? Well, I'm about to take you on a flavorful journey to discover this exotic treasure, so grab your favorite mug and let's dive in. First off, what exactly is Thai green tea? Unlike your typical green tea, Thai green tea is a vibrant blend of leaves often mixed with aromatic local spices like tamarind and star anise, giving it a truly unique flavor profile. Originating from the lush landscapes of Thailand, this tea isn't just a drink, it's a cultural experience. Now let's talk about its cultural significance. In Thailand, Thai green tea isn't just enjoyed casually, it's a staple in many ceremonies and an integral part of daily life. Imagine starting your day with a cup of this aromatic brew, infused not only with spices but also with centuries of tradition. Ever curious about how it's made? Well, the preparation of Thai green tea is an art in itself. The traditional method involves brewing the tea leaves with a careful selection of local spices. This meticulous process enhances the tea's antioxidant properties, making it not only tasty but also incredibly beneficial for your health. Speaking of health, did you know that Thai green tea is packed with antioxidants? These powerful components are known for their ability to fight off free radicals, contributing to better health and wellness. So, it's not just a treat for your taste buds, but a boon for your body too. Now, how should you enjoy it? Thai green tea is versatile. You can sip it hot or enjoy it iced, which is perfect for those warm days. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not pair it with some spicy Thai food? The combination of flavors is absolutely divine. So, are you excited to try Thai green tea? Go ahead and subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to let us know in the comments how you enjoyed your Thai green tea experience. Until next time, keep sipping and exploring the flavors of the world. Remember, every sip brings you a little closer to the heart of Thailand. Cheers!